Good afternoon, students. How are you? Fine? Okay, stay home and stay safe. Okay. So, are you revised what we have done? Are you revising or not? Are you practicing? Are you practicing maths daily? Yes or no? Yes, very good. Okay. Now, what we have done yesterday? Yesterday we have done before and after numbers. Okay, so let's revise it again. I will write some questions on the board. Okay, and you identify which number will come after and which number will come before. Okay, let's revise it. Okay, so only you have to fold your hands and sit. No need to write anything. Okay, you have to fold your hands and sit. Okay, first I will ask you, have you done these questions or not that I have given you? All of you have done? Yes or no? Okay, because I will check it on WhatsApp what you have done or not. Okay, so whatever homework I give you daily do. Okay, so let's revise once again before and after numbers. Before and after. Okay, I will write some questions here and you identify which number will come. Okay. Okay. Blank 10 blank 5 6 blank 9 blank blank 2 blank 8 7 blank 1 blank 6. Okay, I have written 6 already. I have written. Now see. Look at the board. Hold your hands and sit straight. Okay. Now see. In first question, what you have to identify, before number or after number? The blank is given before number or after number? It is before number. That means you have to write the before number. Okay, that means you have to write the before number. So which number will come before 10? Which number is come before 10? Say yes, 9. Very good. 9. Okay, now see the second question. See the second question. The blank is given before number or after number? The blank is given before number. Again you have to write number which come before 5. Which number will come before 5? The number that come before 5 is, yes, say yes, all are correct. It is 4. Now identify the third question. What you have to write? You have to write after number or before number. Where the blank is given? It is given after number. Okay. First the number is written and then the blank is given. So you have to write the after number. So which number will come after 6? Which number will come after 6? The number that come after 6 is, yes, say 7. Very good. Now next. What is the number next? Identify. The number is 9. Okay. Now which number you have to write? Before number or after number? Where blank is given? Where it is given? Blank is given after 9. Okay. That means you have to write the number that come after 9. Which number will come after 9? Which number? 10. Very good. Now see last. What is the number there? 2. And where blank is given? The blank is given before number. Where blank is given? The blank is given before number. That means you have to write the number that come just before 2. So which number will come just before 2? Say 1. Very good. The number that come before 2 is 1. Now see the next question. Okay, what is the next question? What is the number written here? What is this number? Is this 6? No, then 8. Yes, this is 8. Now which number you have to write? After number or before number? Where the blank is given? The blank is given before. Okay, so you have to write the before number. So which number will come before 8? 7. Good. Now identify what is the next number. The next number is 7. Very good. Now which number you have to write? You have to write the after number because the blank is given after number. Okay. So which number will come after 7? 8. Very good. The number that come after 7 is 8. Okay. Now see what is the next number written here. The next number is 1. Very good. Now which number, now what we have to write? You have to write the after number. So which number will come after 1? 1, 2. Okay. Here will be 2. Now what is the last number? What is the last number? The last number is 4. So you have to write after number or before number? Where the blank is given? After the number or before the number? The blank is given after the number. That means you have to write the number that comes after 4. So which number will come after 4? 5. Very good. Okay. So in this way the before and after number is done. Okay. Now I hope all of you more clearly understood the before number and after number. Okay. Now let's start the new topic. Today we will do the new topic, greater than, less than and equals to. What is a topic? Greater than. Greater means bada. Okay. Less than, less means chota. And equal, what is the meaning of equals? Equals means barabar. Okay. So you have to identify the greater number or the lesser number, or if the numbers are equals or not. Okay. Let's start the new topic. I hope all of you have your notebook, your book, your compass box with you. All of you have? Okay. Now new topic is greater than. Greater than. Okay. Now first, what is the meaning of greater than? So this I will explain. First, what is the symbol of greater than? Okay. So the symbol of greater than. What is the symbol of greater than? The symbol of greater than is like this. Okay. What is the symbol of greater than? Like this. Okay. A mouth of crocodile is open. A crocodile is always like to open a greater number. Okay. What crocodile likes? A crocodile likes to eat the greater number. A crocodile does not like lesser number. Okay. What he likes? He likes greater number. हमेशा बड़ा number he wants to eat. He wants to eat always greater number. The crocodile does not like the number that is less. Okay. So according to this you understood what is the sign of greater than. So this is the sign of greater than. Okay. So all of you write this greater than. Write this topic greater than and underline it. Okay. And underline it like this using your scale and pencil. Okay. Using your scale and pencil. Now write this greater than. Okay. Write. Greater than. G-R-E-A. What is the spelling of greater? G-R-E-A-T-E-R. Greater than. T-H-A-N. Then. Okay. When we compare two things, we use this then. T-H-A-N. Then. Okay. Now see. Write this line. The symbol of, from the new line. Okay. The symbol of greater than is this. Write this line. The symbol of greater than is this. Write this. The symbol of greater than is this. Okay. Write fast and write in good handwriting. Have you written this line? All of you have written? Okay, now see. What are these pictures? First, the picture of a, what is that picture? Picture of a mango. All of you like eating mango? Yes or no? What is the taste of the mango? Sour or sweet? Yes, sweet and sour both. What is the color of the mango? Huh? The color of the mango is yellow. Okay. And mango is known as the king of fruits. Phalo ka raja. Okay. Now see. Let's count the number of mangoes given here. Okay. So how many mangoes are? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. How many mangoes are here? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So I am writing here 5. Okay. And how many mangoes are here? 1, 2, 3. Again count 1, 2 and 3. Okay. Now see which number is greater? 5 or 3. सबसे ज़्यादा किस तरफ? Greater means ज़्यादा. So which side mango is greater? This side the mango is more, and this side the mango is less. Okay. This side the mango is more, and this side the mango is less. That means 5 is greater than 3. Number 5 is greater than 3. So what I told you, that crocodile always likes to eat. What he likes to eat? Greater number. Okay. So the mouth of crocodile is always open towards the greater number. Okay. The mouth of crocodile is always open towards the greater number to eat it. Okay. So see, this number is greater and this number is smaller. So the crocodile mouth wants to eat the number 5. Okay. He wants to eat the greater number. See. Now see the next. How many balls are here? Now count it. Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I write here number 6. Okay. Now count how many balls are on this side. Count the number of balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Very good. Now identify which number is greater and which number is smaller. Which number is greater and which number is lesser. Now see. How many balls are here? 6. And how many balls are here? 8. So this side balls are more. That means the number 8 is greater than the number 6. So which number crocodile wants to eat? Greater number. That means 8. So mouth of crocodile will be open this side. Okay. So you draw these two pictures and write in your classwork copy notebook. First, copy it. The symbol of greater than is this. This already you have done. Now do these two questions, A and B. Copy these two questions, A and B. Copy it. Done. A1 is done. Okay, now do the second. B. Draw the number of balls. Draw here one ball. Now draw second ball. Now draw third ball. Now fourth, fifth and sixth. Okay. Draw this side also. Write fast. Okay. Now see, open your books, page number 2020. Okay. Now see, open your books, page number 2020. Okay. One exercise is given on that page. Are you able to see? Yes. The topic is greater than. Okay. That already I have explained you, and 2 questions we have done. Okay. Now there are more questions are given on that page. Okay. More questions are given. Let's solve those questions. Okay. Then you write these questions in your notebook. Okay. You write these questions in your notebook. This is your homework. Okay. This is your homework. You have to copy the questions in your notebook. Now see, fill in the blanks and the boxes. Okay. The first one is done for you. The first one, you have to count how many balloons are there. So 1 2 3 4 5. So write here 5. How many on this side? 1 2 2. So you have to identify which number is greater and which sign will come. So this is 5, this is greater, and this is 2, this is lesser. So the mouth of crocodile will be open this side. Okay. Now see the next. How many boats are there? 1 2 3 4. So write here 4. Write 4 here. Okay. Now see how many boats are on this side, the left side? 1 and 2. Only 2. So write here 2. Now identify which number is greater, 4 or 2. Which number is greater? 4. Okay. So the mouth of crocodile will be open towards 4. Okay. Now I will also do. Wait. Yes. Okay. Let's do it. How many boats are here? Here is 4. Okay. And how many boats are here? Here is 2. So which number is greater? 4 and 2. Between 4 and 2, which number is greater? 4. Okay. So mouth of the crocodile is open towards the number 4. Okay. Now next, do the next question. How many birds are here? This side, on the right side. Count. 1 2 3 4 5. Okay. So write here 5. Okay. Now see, count the number of birds given on the other side. 1 2 3 4. How many birds are there? 1 2 3 and 4. So write here 4. Okay. Now see, which side is greater? 4 and 5. Which number is greater? 5 is greater. Okay. The mouth of a crocodile is open this side. Very good. Now see the next picture. What is that picture? It is a picture of a lollipop. You like eating lollipop? Yes. Now count how many lollipops are given here. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay. So write here 6. Now see how many lollipops are given on the other side. 1 2 3 and 4. How many? 4. Okay. So write here 4. Now identify which number is greater between 6 and 4. Which number is greater? 6. Okay. So the mouth of the crocodile will be open towards number 6. Now see. Now the 2 questions are given. You do on your own. Okay. First count the number of erasers and write its number on the given blank. Then identify that which number is greater, and according to that you make the sign of greater than. Okay. And the last also, count the number of apples, and according to that write the number in the blank, and then identify which number is greater. Okay. So do this exercise in your, this is your homework, and you have to write this exercise in your notebook. Okay. Are you able to do? Yes. Very good. Okay. Now let's do the next topic. What is our next topic? Our next topic is less than. Just now what we have done? We have done greater than. Greater than means bada. Okay. Now we will do less than. Okay. Less than. Write the topic name. LESS. Less than. Write the name of a topic in your notebook. Less than. Yes. And what is the symbol of less than? The symbol of less than is like this. Okay. The symbol of less than is like this. That means the mouth of crocodile is closed towards the lesser than sign. Okay. Write this line. The symbol of greater than is this. Write this line also. Write this line. Copy it. And copy in good handwriting. The symbol of greater than. Sorry, less than. The symbol of less than. Right here, less. The symbol of less than. Okay, let's do the exercise. What is this picture? This is a picture of a. Is this a mango? No or yes? Then is this an apple? Yes, it is a apple. You like eating apple? Yes. What is the color of apple? Red. Okay. Now see, I will draw the second. What is this? What is this? This is a flower. Okay, you like flower? Okay, now let's do these questions, these two questions. All of you have written this line. The symbol of less than is this. Okay, now see the first question. It is a picture of a apple. So count how many apples are given here. 1, 2, 3. Again count. 1, 2, 3. So what number will come here? 3. Okay, now count the next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. How many apples are on this side? There are 6 apples on this side. And how many apples on this side? There are 3 apples. Now identify which side apple is greater, more, and which side of apple is less. So this side only 3 apples are there. And this side there are 6 apples. So this side the apple is more. That means the number here is greater than the number 3. Okay, that means the number 6 is greater than the number 3. That means the 3 is smaller than or 3 is less than 6. The number 3 is less than number 6. So what is the symbol of less than? Like this. Okay. Now see the next question. What is this? Count how many flowers are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So right here 6. Now count this side. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now identify which side of flower is less and which side of flower is more or greater. Now which side of here there are 6 flowers and here there are 4 flowers. So between 4 and 6 and 4. Which number is less? 4 is less. So what is the sign come here? Okay, very good. Now copy these two questions. Copy these two questions. Copy these two questions. Draw beautiful picture of apple and beautiful picture of flower. Okay. first one I have done. You have done first question. Now do the second B. Draw. How many flowers here you have to draw? You have to draw 6 flowers. Okay. And this side how many? 4 flowers. Draw little picture. Okay. Okay, let's do the exercise that is given on do the exercise that is given on page number 21. Okay, the exercise based on less than. Okay, the exercise is based on less than on page number 21. Okay, see. Okay, let's do it. You have to identify the lesser number, and according to that you have to put a sign. Okay, now see, the first question is already done for you. Count how many flowers are here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So 8 is written here, and this side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so 9 flowers this side, so 9 number is written here. So identify which number is less. 8 and 9. Between 8 and 9, which number is greater and which number is less. So 8 is less than 9. So which, like this symbol is made. Okay, now do the second question. How many tomatoes are here? Is this tomato or apple? Okay, it is apple. So how many apples are here? 2. So write here 2. Okay, and how many apples are this side? 1, 2, 3. 3. So which number is less? 2 is less. So okay, the mouth of crocodile is open towards the greater number, that is 3, and it is closed towards the less number, that is 2. Now see the next question. Count the number of pencils. How many pencils are here on this side? 1, 2, 3, 4. So write here 4. Now count the number of pencil other side. How many pencils are there other side? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So write here 6. Now see which number is less and which number is greater. So 4 is less, 6 is greater. That means crocodile wants to eat the greater number. Okay, like this. Now are you able to do the next? Okay, let's do it. How many erasers are there on this side? 1, 2, 3. Now count the number of eraser given on the other side. Count 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. How many erasers are there on the other side? 5. Okay, so write here 5. Now which number is greater and which number is lesser? 3 is lesser and 5 is greater. So which sign? The crocodile mouth is open towards the number 5. That this sign will come. Okay, now do the next question. What is the picture given here? It is a picture of a cake. Okay, now count how many cakes are here on this side. 1, 2, 3. So write here 3. Okay, now how many cakes are there on the other side? Count 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, 4. So which number is greater and which number is smaller? So 3 is smaller and 4 is greater. So the mouth of the crocodile is open towards the number 4. Okay, now see the last. What is that picture? It is a picture of a flower. No, then fruit. No, then which picture is this? It is a picture of leaf. Okay, count the number of leaves. 1, 2, 3 and write here 3. Now count the number of leaves on the other side. How many leaves are there? Count 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, so write here 5. So which number is greater and which number is smaller? Which number is greater between 3 and 5? Okay, 5 is greater than 3. So which sign is come here? Here the crocodile wants to eat a greater number. So its mouth is open towards 5. That means its mouth is open towards greater number. Okay, now I will write homework on the on the board. So you do these two exercise in your notebook. That exercise based on greater than and the exercise based on less than. Okay. So you draw the pictures also. Beautiful simple pictures are there. I hope all of you are able to draw the simple pictures and you enjoy drawing the picture. And don't draw big pictures. Okay. Draw small pictures. And if you have color pencil, crayons, you color it also. Okay, any color whatever you wants to like to color it, you color the pictures also. Okay, so I will write the homework. Here I am writing. Maths homework on page number 20 and 21. 20 and 21. Okay, on these two pages two exercises are given that already we have solved. So those two exercises you have to, those two questions you have to copy in your notebook. Okay, and draw small pictures. Okay, don't draw big pictures. Okay, because small it will look nice. Okay, so I hope all of you are doing the homework that I have given you before. Are you doing or not? Doing? Okay, so complete your notebook daily. Whatever I have taught you, daily whatever I teach you, you write and do the homework also. Okay, because I am going to check your copy also. Okay, I am coming your home to check your copies. That means you are writing or not. Okay, you write. Okay, don't take help of your mother to write in your copy. Okay, you write and write in good handwriting. Okay, I hope you enjoyed today's topic greater than less than. Now tomorrow we will do the next topic and our next topic will be equals to. Okay, I will explain you tomorrow the next topic equals to. Okay, so keep practicing and have a nice day. Thank you.